Hi guys, so I have an excavator in my yard. It's weird. So we're getting our septic removed. So right now you see the wheels are like backing up, and now the arm is like just patting the sand, the dirt. It's patting it. It's also good for padding the excavator arm, the end of it. So it's right now just padding, and it will start digging eventually. So that is the inside. See how he's like controlling it? Those controllers. And now I think he's gonna dig. Let's go dig. See, we can't really see it because it's behind that, but you see he's like scooping it in and then bringing it and putting it in a pile.
It's all the poop, right?
Yeah, it's all the poop because we're getting our septic removed. All the poop goes into our front yard. Let's see if I can get a better view for you. If you come with me this way, I go downstairs and we'll get a better view here. See, that is a big hole. Right there, the arm is dumping it into there. And then it's like scooping under. I still can't get a good view. I may. So right now, he's scooping it up and bringing it all to there. That's a big pile. That's a big hole. Ooh, listen to that big sound. So, it's pretty cool and pretty weird having an excavator in your yard. Just like digging up your whole front yard. So now he's like digging it up and digging it and putting it over there. Bye-bye.